Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can use apps in Pencil Spaces that are only visible to you. So to open your apps in Pencil Spaces, you are going to navigate to the left-hand side of your space and select Open Apps. So here you will see you have access to collaborative apps, apps that are only visible to you, and board resources. Today we are going to be looking at apps that are only visible to you. So here you'll see you have access to a periodic table, a calculator, as well as a graphing calculator. So to open up the application you would like to use, just click on it and we're going to start with the periodic table. So as you can see, it says it right at the top, this app is only visible to you, meaning that anyone else in the space cannot see this periodic table when you open it. So you have the capability of moving it around. And this periodic table is really helpful for working on material science or chemistry within a space. To remove the periodic table from your space, all you have to do is click the X at the top right-hand side. So the next app we are going to be trying out is the calculator. So I put an equation on our board using our formula editor built into our space, and now I can use the calculator to solve the problem. So I can actually move the calculator around and turn the calculator into a graphing calculator by selecting the function button. So you can either type in the equation on your calculator by clicking it directly on the calculator, or you can type it in using your keyboard. Once you're done using the calculator, you can exit out of the app by clicking the X. Finally, the last application we will be testing is the graphing calculator. Just like with the other applications, the graphing calculator can be moved around by clicking on the app and dragging around the board. The graphing calculator can also be resized by going to the bottom right-hand corner of the app and just dragging up or down to increase the size of your graphing calculator or decrease the size of your graphing calculator. This graphing calculator has been created by GeoGebra, so if you have any questions about how to use it, you can always go to geogebra.org. To use the graphing calculator itself, once again, you can click directly on the application, or you can use your keyboard to write in numbers. If you would like to save, share, or even download this graph, you can go to the left-hand side of the app and select the menu button. And all the options you have will appear to the left. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.